Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie, and I'm so happy to see you today.
And I'm Paul. Charlie, you look excited today. What's the reason?
Yes, I'm excited because today's topic is very important. Many students ask, how can I become a good English speaker?
Oh, yes. I hear that question every day. And you know, Charlie, I used to be shy when speaking English.
Really, Paul? I didn't know that.
Yes, I felt nervous and afraid of mistakes, but now I speak with confidence.
That's true. And I think many viewers feel the same. So today, let's help them with simple, beginner-friendly tips.
Okay, tip number one, speak a little every day. Even 5 minutes helps.
Yes, small practice becomes big improvement. You can talk to yourself, describe your day, or read out loud.
Tip number two, don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are normal. They help you grow.
I agree. When children learn their first language, they make mistakes too, and no one laughs at them.
Exactly. So be kind to yourself.
Tip number 3, listen more. Watch English videos, podcasts, or short clips. Listening gives you new words and natural flow.
Tip number four, use simple sentences. You don't need big vocabulary at the start. Clear and short is best.
And one more tip, practice with people. Even one friend can help, or talk with online learners.
These small steps create big change. I feel happy when students try every day.
So the message is simple. Don't wait for perfect English. Start with what you have today.
Yes, a good English speaker is not someone who never makes mistakes. It's someone who never stops learning.
Keep practicing, keep trying, and keep believing in yourself. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment.